Come on, you know, see the government not send your papa, ba. They don't care about you. Look at them, they just embezzle money and then fly abroad and do whatever they want to do. They don't really care about you. Now, you have to care about yourself. To be honest with you, you have to care about yourself. The beautiful thing is that God passed them. Do you know why? As far as the government are not the ones that provide for me oxygen, then they can't kill me. They can only influence certain things and affect certain things, but they will never kill me. Now, why am I telling you all of this? Me and you go agree, say, as far as God dey, solution to all our problems dey. The only problem most times is that because of how everything looks, the disappointment of people and the government and stuff, it has blindfolded us. We cannot see opportunities. But I'm here to explain and bring out opportunities for you if you're listening to me. Now, especially if you're a stay-at-home mom, you're a student, or you're just someone that's you're finding it very hard. You can also agree with me that there are certain businesses that you want to start. It's not as if you're lazy, but there is no just capital. And it's not as if there is no capital. You can get the capital and then other things will now eat the capital. Can we relate? I know you'll be like, Victor, what can that be? Well, I have an idea. Sorry. So the thing is, here's the solution. I have come to realize something that most times we don't see. There is one thing the government cannot affect, and that is you watching this video. They can try to affect it, but they will not succeed completely. So how do we utilize online? Now, we utilize online by implementing digital skills. So what are the digital skills or digital activities? One is this content and recording. So if you have a phone, you are supposed to be creating a content and be talking to people just about anything. Create a content and be talking to people about anything. Two, you can go ahead to learn a digital skills. What are digital skills? Digital skills are graphic design, video editing. So this video, as I record them now, if I don't edit it, I will send them to my video editor. He go edit them. I gas pay him. Do you understand? So there is website development, a lot of skills. Now the beautiful thing about this digital skills is that I can give you access to digital skills, my own personal digital skills that I bought. I will give you access to it, but just for a fee of 5,000 naira if you're interested in it, because that digital skill is worth 150. But I'm going to give you for 5,000 naira if you want it. If you don't want it, fine, you can go and learn all of these things anywhere else. But I'm just telling you, if you want it, you click under the description or you click on my bio and you take you to get digital skills. You can just get it. So now the third one is what we call collective efforts. You know, but the problem with us black people is that we don't understand the power of networking and collective efforts. So maybe let me put it this way. Let's say now you're in the house now, your father, your mom, and then you have 3 siblings. Now, if you people can come together and create a family business, it will help you. Why? Because they are like three children now, and then the father and the mother. That is making how many? That is 5 people. So if 5 people come together to push energy on one source of business, that can generate certain wealth and can help. So I've mentioned this. Let's recap. I said first is the digital space. So you can create content, come inside the digital world, come inside the internet. By doing what? Creating content. You can do article content or video content, however you want to do it. The second one I talk about is digital skills. Learn a digital skills that you can render service to people, and you learn it finish. Then you can now introduce yourself to other people, to people that I sabi do this one, I sabi do this one. Then that is where you can learn. You can learn from that, and you can earn. You understand? After you earn from that, you understand. Then the third one is collective effort. Everywhere you go, try as much as possible to make friends with people that you guys can come together to build something. Stop going to people and be sitting down and be complaining about the useless government that cannot help you. Hope this video makes sense to somebody. If it makes sense, you will like the video.